Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can toggle items on Dress to Impress. So you can toggle a few items. If you press on this phone, as you can see, there's this toggle button which you can adjust like how you hold the phone, like that. And there's also, for instance, this one, there's a toggle button on this one, thickness, patterns, the skirt as well here. But some items don't have a toggle, like for instance, oh, this one does, never mind. Which one doesn't have a toggle? This one? Okay, so this one doesn't have a toggle and you cannot change the way the dress forms. But yeah, that is it pretty much. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.